Oh my gosh, girly, have you heard the latest? Selena Gomez and Benny Blanco are officially married. Okay, so let's rewind a bit. Selena and Benny first crossed paths in 2019 with their hit single, I Can't Get Enough. But it wasn't until June 2023 that sparks really started flying. They went public with their relationship in December 2023. And by December 2024, Benny popped the question during a Taco Bell themed picnic. Talk about quirky and cute. Fast forward to September 27th, 2025. The couple tied the knot in a private ceremony at a Santa Barbara estate. Selena stunned in a custom Ralph Lauren halter gown with floral accents, while Benny looked dashing in a classic black tuxedo. Selena shared intimate moments from the day, including writing her vows in a pink satin robe and strolling along the beach with Benny. She captioned one post, from writing my vows to leaving my wedding a little earlier than most. Now, let's talk about the bling. Benny's wedding ring was a masterpiece by Jacob & Co., featuring hidden engravings of their wedding date and the birthstones of both Selena and Benny. So sweet. The reception was a star-studded affair with guests like Taylor Swift, Ed Sheeran, and Martin Short. Selena and Benny shared a barefoot dance, a champagne toast, and a sweet kiss. And of course, there was a just married cake to top it all off. Fans have been buzzing about the wedding, with many expressing their joy and excitement for the couple. Some even took to Reddit to discuss the ceremony and share their thoughts. Oh my gosh, girly, let's spill the tea because there's even more to Selena and Benny Blanco's wedding that you have to hear. Allegedly, the estate in Santa Barbara was transformed into a dreamy garden wonderland. Think soft blush roses, cascading white orchids, and fairy lights twinkling above. Sources say there were crystal chandeliers hanging over the outdoor dining tables, giving it this magical, ethereal vibe. Guests were reportedly in awe as they walked through the rose-lined pathways, feeling like they were in a real-life romantic movie. Some bloggers even mentioned that Selena personally picked out every floral arrangement and candle placement, making the whole setup feel intimate and personalized. Selena kept her inner circle close for her big day. Her bridesmaids reportedly wore pastel-colored dresses that matched the soft, romantic theme, while the groomsmen donned sleek tuxedos with subtle blush accents to complement the wedding palette. Rumor has it that some of Selena's closest friends from the entertainment industry, including a few surprise celebrity pals, were there to stand by her side. The aesthetic was coordinated to perfection, with the wedding party walking down the aisle in what sources called a vision straight out of a fairy tale. Selena allegedly shared some behind-the-scenes glimpses on her social media, giving fans an intimate look at the ceremony. Sources said she opted for candid shots of moments like writing her vows, holding Benny's hand tightly during the ceremony, and laughing together during the reception. Photographers reportedly captured every detail, from the delicate lace on her gown to the personalized monogram on their champagne flutes. Bloggers are already calling the photos iconic and predicting they'll be featured in multiple bridal magazines. Allegedly, the reception was just as lavish as the ceremony. The menu reportedly included a mix of Selena's favorite dishes and gourmet creations, with a heavy emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients. Think truffle risotto, lobster rolls, and custom cocktails named after the couple. Guests allegedly raved about a dessert table full of macarons, mini tarts, and of course, a multi-tiered just married cake that was almost too pretty to eat. Some bloggers even mentioned that Selena personally tasted test, sampled all of the desserts beforehand. How cute is that? The vibe of the wedding was completely personal and unforgettable. Sources said that the couple made sure it felt less like a Hollywood spectacle and more like a genuine celebration of love and friendship. From intimate conversations with guests to barefoot dances on the beach, everything screamed Selena and Benny's personalities. Fans and bloggers alike are calling this wedding the wedding of the year, and it seems like this is just the beginning of their beautiful journey together. OMG, girl, the tea just keeps getting juicier. Let's dive into even more of the adorable details from Selena and Benny Blanco's wedding. Allegedly, the couple curated a playlist that perfectly captured their journey together. Sources say Selena and Benny included some of their favorite hits, romantic classics, and even a few surprise live performances. Rumor has it that a few close friends took the stage for acoustic sets, making the night feel super intimate. One blogger mentioned that the first dance song was a track they wrote together, which had everyone in tears. fans are saying it was a moment of pure magic that truly reflected their love story. Allegedly, apart from big names like Taylor Swift and Ed Sheeran, some surprise guests from both the music and film industry quietly attended. Sources say the couple wanted a cozy, exclusive vibe, so many celebrities flew under the radar. Bloggers are also claiming there were personalized favors for each guest. Think mini photo albums of Selena and Benny's journey together. It seems every detail was carefully planned to make everyone feel part of their love story. After the wedding, Selena and Benny were spotted enjoying a private honeymoon getaway, keeping it intimate and low-key. Fans are already speculating about future collaborations, music projects, and possibly starting a family one day. The couple reportedly wants to focus on living their best life together while sharing just enough glimpses to let fans celebrate along with them. Bloggers are calling them the power couple of 2025. And honestly, can you blame them? Wow, girly, that was so much tea about Selena and Benny Blanco's wedding. Remember, everything we're saying here is alleged, but isn't it just so fun to imagine all the magical little details? From the dreamy ceremony to the barefoot dances, it's a reminder of how love can really light up a moment. And while we're spilling the celebrity tea, don't forget to sprinkle a little sparkle into your own life too. Speaking of sparkle, if you've been loving all the glam vibes from today's story, you have to check out my press-on nails. They're perfect for recreating that red carpet, dreamy wedding glow right at home, whether you're having a cozy night in or getting ready to slay your next girl's night. They're easy, affordable, and let you feel fabulous every single day, just like our girl Selena would want us to feel. And girly, a little reminder as we wrap up, you never know what people go through behind closed doors. Everyone has their own journey, ups and downs, and personal battles that we don't see. So let's be grateful for our own paths, celebrate the little wins, and always shine bright in our own way. Life is too short not to cherish the beauty in your story, even the small, glittery moments. At the end of the day, let's send all the love and positivity into the world. Appreciate yourself, your growth, and your journey, and always wish the best for others. Keep glowing, keep smiling, and remember, you are worthy, fabulous, and unstoppable.